What's going on, guys? It's Marty here, and in this video I'll show you how can you increase font size on your new T-Phone or T-Phone Pro. So let's start. First, go settings. You need to find display. So here we go, display, click on it and click on font size. Now you just need to grab this dot and move it to the right. And that's it. Now your text is much bigger. If it's not enough, you can also change display size. So I will show you how to do it. Let's go settings again. Click on display. And we need to click on display size. And now we can change our display. So let's go grab it. Or maybe you can just press this plus like this. And now, as you can see, everything is much bigger. Also, your icons are bigger. Here we go. Okay, I will show you one more time. We're gonna make it smaller. So let's go settings, display, font size, grab this dot, or maybe you can just click on this. Yep, that's it, default, and also display size. Grab it, move it, and that's it. Everything is default now. Guys, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and have a nice evening. Bye bye.